We already have a 9x9 magnetic, and it's really good. You guys can even see the magnets, and this one has a glossy finish. But today, we have received a magnetic 9x9 from Moyu. I'm just guessing since I don't really understand. But looking at it from here, I think this is a 9x9. We'll know for sure once we open it. Man, our cutter is finished. The chance is gone today. Anyway, it's just like we've opened a gift. Here is our 9MV3. It's just like Ao Aofu V5, Aoshi V4, Ao Chuang V7, I think, and Aosu V6. I'm not sure what I said, but maybe this helps you understand. Before this, two variants have already come out. One normal Meilong and maybe one called Meilong V2. I don't remember exactly, but I've used the 8x8 Meilong. I think I unboxed it in 2019. As far as I remember, this one is going to be magnetic, and its biggest feature is the ball core magnetic version. One second, let me tell you something. In the last video, we unboxed the 8x8 ball core magnetic, the 8M, but that video will appear on the end screen, so check it out. It's on Hasnane Technical 2.0, not here, but I'll add it to the end screen. Now look at this. The box looks a lot like a Moyu type. Let's open it. And man, we have magnetic ones up to 10x10, from 1x1 to 10x10, except the 1x1 isn't magnetic. But still, it feels good, man. It feels like there will be something more in the future too, you know. There's a really cozy environment here. I don't know why. I know there will be a screwdriver and a pamphlet in its accessory box. There's no need to look at the pamphlet. I don't know what we're supposed to do with these. And this N to L, does N mean next to next or next to layers next to? I don't know, man. Anyway, I think the person who's buying a 9x9 knows how to solve it. That's why he's buying it. Who would be crazy enough to buy it just like that? I mean, really? For size comparison, I have another 9 by... Oh, wow. Let me come a little closer. You guys can see how much difference there is in size. Okay, this old one is a bit glossy. This one is matte. Maybe in the frame it looks a bit cool to us, but it's fine. Having a 9x9 of this size was a dream of mine. 4 or 5 years ago, I used to feel like learning and practicing speed solving on big cubes. But that's no longer my hobby. But you know what they say, when you have a passion, you don't realize it, and when you realize it, the passion is gone. That's what's happening. First turns are good. Also, I don't see magnets on the side like those on the cubes. Okay, this has a feeling like a Moyu budget cube. And in this, we still have to turn precisely. Okay, 5x5 as well. I'll add 5x5 to this too. No matter how advanced the best hardware gets, auto turning will come. This pair is turning on its own, but still you will have to turn precisely. We focus more on effortless turning in big cubes. On how effortlessly we have to turn. You guys might remember, a few years ago, the big cubes used to be so bad. If you guys talk about 8x8, 9x9, and 10x10, these cubes, because these are not official World Cube Association events, so people don't put much effort into them. I mean, companies don't sell these much, but now maybe companies have realized, maybe they're selling. Whatever it is, I don't know, but now they're also working on big cubes. So here you can see how effortlessly these are turning. I feel like the magnets are a bit weak. If you look, this second cube of mine, its magnets are a bit stronger, and somehow it provides a feeling of stability. You guys must be noticing it too if you compare both of them. For someone with big hands, this cube is already like heaven, but for someone with small hands, this cube is for them. Okay, the stability I'm seeing in this cube can also be achieved in this one through lubes. If we use some slow lubes in this, we can achieve the same thing here as well. And we're getting a bonus that it's smaller, which is really good. I'm not able to turn it properly, to be honest, and I'm gonna look at the M turns. Man, this is really difficult for someone like me. Turning this also needs a lot of practice. The edge perm is done smoothly if you guys take a little help, and as for the rest of these kinds of turns, I think I should solve it on this. Not in today's video, we won't do it in today's video. In today's video, we'll try to make a heart on this for all of you and try to solve the 3x3 state. Nothing more than that. And if someone has unboxed a big cube and hasn't applied the parity algorithm, it's an insult to both the cube and the unboxing video. Okay, I'll be able to turn the 9x9 so smoothly and effortlessly, sorry. To be honest, I used to think this before today because we already have this and I had a sub 15 average on it. I did some practice and it got broken in. I did about 15 or 20 solves on it, which is why it broke in, and it's heavy too. Man, this one is a little... No, wait a second. Yeah, this one is just a bit... This one is heavy and this one is a bit lightweight too. It's small, and after setting it up, we can make it almost like that one. I think I should move towards solving the 3x3, and by the end, I'll make something for you guys. Man, this could probably be my main. I'm turning this step by step. We can't just estimate things by doing a T-perm. I'm doing it step by step. Yeah, I feel like this has potential, but still, it's going to be a budget cube. It feels that way because it has a strong Meilong vibe. Like if you made Meilong's 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5 magnetic, this is Meilong's 9x9. That's how it feels anyway. We should start getting some vibes here. The cross turned out really well. Let's see what's next. What a vibe, man. I just tried some kind of pseudo slotting or multi-slotting. I mean, I gave it a shot. Oh. I never even thought that I would get a chance to do NA perm on this. Maybe before today. I never enjoyed perming NA on 9x9, and this was something different for me. Anyway, now the thing I really want to do is the heart pattern. I want to make it for all of you. And I'll have to see a bit how we can achieve that one clean and amazing kind of heart in this. I'm starting from the top without worrying about the bottom, and this is gonna be ours. You guys understand, right? I mean, it won't go very deep. I feel like if we don't do it from here, we'll have to support it at 3 points here. That's what it seems like. 1, 2, 3, and let's see what happens. I don't have much hope, but let's hope for the best. And we're in our last few moves. I feel like, man, it's cute, lovely. It's not turning out that bad. Not that bad, man. It's done. Not bad, man. I didn't expect such a good final result, honestly, man. That's it for this video. The video link for the 8x8 unboxing should appear here. Definitely check it out. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.